We're over here at Medicus Partners today, standing up some tilt wall panels. So this is a about a 275 foot by 80 foot building here in Fort Myers, and it'll be a local contractor's facilities when we're finished. So we're bringing up panels now. We're a little over halfway with the erection sequence. The guys are stripping as we go. We got the braces shook out for them. And on this particular job, we're utilizing a 300-ton hydro crane. We've got a few selected areas that have lengthy reaches out in the middle of the slabs. And we'll just get that brace out of the way. We didn't need that one right now. So as we walk back over here by the command center, we can see that this is actually only half of it where we're at right now. So this will be the storage area. They got a nice solid concrete partition wall here. That helps greatly with insurance costs and stuff related to chemical storage, volatile materials and whatnot. As they bring this first one in over here, 23, this is actually an outside wall panel. So they'll put that one in before they do the final one in the firewall. This building had lots of changes as we come through out here. That's one thing that we're really able to help a customer with is getting past issues with permitting, development orders, and also changing stuff even at the very last second. So we had changes right up till the day before we poured these panels. But we think that the owner's happy with everything at this point. So as we finish up setting panels today, tomorrow, we'll start picking up bar joists. So the first 3 trucks is on site already, ready for us to go. And the minute that we're done with the panels, we'll be getting it out through there.
Hey, I gotta fix my joint.
They're going to bring this one on in right now. She's down close to where she goes on the footer. They're swinging her over till they touch up against her 3/4 inch joint. That's all the tolerance we have on these things, 3/4 of an inch. So even a 1/4 inch out of square or plumb can make a significant difference in the looks of these panels. But so far so good. Everything's looking real nice. They have a light room finish on the interior of this particular building. Obviously that's dependent on the customer. And we'll keep on moving. So as we finish up here today, tomorrow, today I should say, then we'll go directly into setting these bar joists out here. So till next time.